In this video, I'll show you the basic workings of a vehicle's fuel injector. Notice that on this fuel injector there's one permanent keyed ignition power and a ground which is supplied by the electronic control module. When this control module adds the ground, it triggers the fuel injector to allow fuel to spray into the combustion chamber. This is normal pulsation at about 3.5 to 6 milliseconds for duty cycle. This is the fuel injector inner workings. You'll notice that when we energize the injector coil winding, it becomes a magnet and pulls the steel pintle off its seat, allowing fuel to spray into the combustion chamber. When this coil is de-energized, the pintle is pushed back on its seat, closing off the fuel and restricting fuel from leaving the fuel injector. Now, let's introduce the White Lightning Flex Fuel Conversion Kit into the basic wiring of the vehicle's fuel injector. We then ground this unit to the battery, firewall, or engine. Our device allows the first ground signal from the ECM to pass through the device and energize the fuel injector coil. We then tag that signal and add an additional ground. As you will notice in this demonstration here, that we have the complete exhaust stroke in order to manipulate the fuel injector's duty cycle. Our device is very simple in nature. Our device simply uses the ECM's original ground pulse signal as a trigger for the repeater. We also have an adjustment within our device that allows the amount of percentage that the ground stays on the triggered pulse from the ECM as to enrich or enlean the vehicle's fuel spray. The range of increase that we have available is 0 to 27%. This increase is based upon the original electronic control module's reference pulse to the vehicle's fuel injector.